this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Professional Mukbangs, the Spicy Noodle Mukbang show with me. And you get to sit there, watch, do whatever you do. Today we've got this Buldak Carbo. It's the cup version. I don't think this is going to take very long, but I really like this one. I added a little bit of spring onion, a slice of chashu, some sesame seed. Good. So, yeah, let's see if we can make this happen. Do I have a beverage? I don't. Well, hopefully I don't get the hiccups. Let's have at it. Done. So that one, honestly, I don't remember it being this spicy, but it's got a decent spicy level to it. My mouth has been burning for the last minute and a half. It tastes nice though. It has that bit of a creaminess to it that works really well. And yeah, it's a small size cup, obviously, as you can see from the amount of time it took me to scarf it down. Anyways, I would recommend it. It's spicy if you like spicy, and there you go. So that was the Samyang Foods Buldak Carbo, and there will be more mukbangs to come. There really hasn't been a lot of movement on the top 10 spicy list recently. I just haven't been finding a lot of like ultra spicy stuff, and the ones that were at the head of the pack, they're no longer in production. So hopefully I will find one someday that will dethrone the current lead, which is the Samyang 3X Spicy Buldak. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.